Miss Liberty, okay lang po ba kayo? I'm so sorry if I have upset you.
No. It's okay. It's not your fault. It's been hard for me. Kasi I've been receiving death threats lately. I don't know why this person is doing this to me, pero ang totoo po niyan, ayaw niya matuloy yung movie premiere ko. Papatayin daw po niya ako kapag natuloy yung movie premiere ko. Takot na takot po ako. Hindi po ako makatulog. And yung ginawa niya sa bahay ko. Excuse me. Sorry. Ate Alma, I just need some time alone, okay?
Si Liberty Sandoval ho.
Nasa loob po siya, ng restroom.
Pwede ko ba siya makausap?
Sige po.
Pasukin ko na.
I don't care what it takes. This movie should sell. I need to redeem my career.
Sergeant Enriquez.